Hi, Dr. Wan Soraya. My name is Nur Asfira Izzati. I was part of the MC unit for this event, working together with my partner, Sofina. Our main role is to manage the overall flow of the online event from the beginning until the end. Before the event, I helped to prepare the MC script based on the program flow. My partner and I worked together to organize the script, including the opening, the session between segment, and introduction of the lecturer and invited speaker. We also had practice session together to make sure our coordination, timing, and delivery was smooth. During this event, I host the session by welcoming the audience, introducing speaker, and guiding the program from one segment to another. I also stay alert and flexible in case there were any sudden change or technical issues so the event could still run smoothly. After the event, I reflected on the overall program and discussed with my partner on areas we could improve, especially in terms of timing, script flow, and coordination. If I had the opportunity to be in a different department, I will choose finance department. This is because I am currently working in the finance field, so I am more confident handling financial matter compared to being an MC. I'm also serving as the treasurer for the company recreational club, and this year is my second year in that role under a 2-year appointment. I manage the club's finance and activity involving around 250 staff, including budgeting and monitoring expenses. Because of this experience, I feel that the finance department suits my skill, background, and interest better. Overall, I am proud to have taken on the role of an MC, as it was a new experience for me, and at the same time it helped me to release my strength and boost my confidence.